scanning technology is really embedded within every aspect of the processes that we use here. So from the design side, we use it as part of our reverse engineering process in order to capture those parts that we need to get made for the car. We're then using it throughout the manufacturing process to ensure that our manufacturing processes are under control and producing the parts that we need. And then finally we're using them at the final inspection stage to confirm fully built assemblies, and even onto the race car to make sure that the race car represents exactly what the designers would like.